Alright, hello everyone. I know it's been a while since I'll be I'm becoming right back into it with Minecraft. And I did have one, but I deleted them. As reason. There we go. Let's get into this and see where it takes us. I do want to say sorry for not having the face cam. I'm new from the same one from the last video. No, just I'm cleaning it. It's messy right now. Messy because I'm cleaning it. Reorganizing things. And technically, to be fair, it's pretty nice. I also realized I don't know the key binding. Otherwise, it's plate. No, no, I want it. No, I'm not. Alright, so hang on. I don't know. And then... Alright, put it up. Alright. One of the reasons, oh my god, technical problem. Should probably upgrade my computer for this. Yeah, my laptop. But never mind. But yeah. What was I talking about? I think the reason I haven't been uploading is the fact that I do have a job. So that means that I don't know exactly when I'm going to do certain things. But you can now suggest better games than what I have been playing. Whether I play through them, I don't know. Because Creepypasta Land is probably not gonna be continued. Too much work. And I literally have to redo everything. I need a lag. Kill me in the long run. Yeah, reason to upgrade my computer. When I found, oh my god, now it's far too much. I'll eventually get this. yeah. So I am working. One of the reasons I haven't been uploading. The other is I'm lazy. Best way to describe it. But yeah, that's so technically this one is a gaming video. It's an update video, so then I'm gonna make it seem like a gaming video. Oh, no, 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 no. But let's see what else. No, I think that's about it actually. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Sensitivity. I think the problem is the fact that I didn't know what auto jump is, but it's gonna be turned on. Then video settings. Oh my god. Man, was doing game. Like literally just lag. Jump up. No, jump. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. Okay. But what is me not boring? It's the language me to use it. So, but I hope to be recording a little bit more and uploading a little bit more frequently. Once every 6 months. So, whenever I feel like it. Mind you, it's an empty promise. I might not be able to keep it. So, but if I do pick this up, I will have a house. Hopefully. Depending on when I pick it up. So, yeah. So I will see you guys later. And goodbye. I will hopefully have more going on than what I got.